Are you struggling to recover abandoned carts on your online store? In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to use Mailchimp for cart recovery emails, a powerful tool that can help you boost sales and recover lost revenue. Stick around until the end, because we'll also reveal a special way you can use Mailchimp for free with some exclusive bonuses that you won't want to miss. First thing you need to know is that Mailchimp's cart recovery feature is part of their marketing automation tools, and it's super easy to set up. This feature allows you to send automated emails to customers who've added products to their cart but didn't complete the purchase. You can customize these emails to remind your customers of what they left behind and bring them back to complete the sale. Next thing, let's dive into how you can set it up. Start by logging into your Mailchimp account and navigating to the Automations tab. From there, select Create Automation and choose Abandoned Cart as the trigger. This is where Mailchimp automatically tracks when a customer leaves something in their cart and can send a reminder email to help recover that sale. The third thing you want to focus on is customizing your email. Mailchimp allows you to fully personalize your cart recovery emails to make them feel more engaging and relevant. Add the customer's name, personalize the product recommendations, and even throw in a discount code to sweeten the deal. This can significantly improve the chances of them returning to complete the purchase. Now, the fourth thing, Mailchimp also offers analytics, so you can track the performance of your cart recovery emails. You'll get insights into how many people open the email, click the link, and converted. This data helps you optimize your strategy over time, ensuring better results with each campaign. The fifth thing is about timing. The ideal time to send a cart recovery email is within the first hour after the abandonment, as this is when customers are most likely to return. However, you can set up a sequence of emails, maybe one an hour later, then another 24 hours after the initial abandonment. This increases the chances of recovering the sale. Lastly, let's talk about what makes Mailchimp even better: automation. Once your cart recovery emails are set up, they run automatically. This means you don't have to manually send reminders to every customer who abandons their cart. Mailchimp does all the hard work for you, saving you time and effort while boosting your revenue. Now, I mentioned at the beginning of the video that there's a way you can use Mailchimp completely for free, with an extended free trial and exclusive bonuses. You can get access to this by checking out the first link below. It's a great way to try out Mailchimp's powerful cart recovery features without committing to a paid plan. To wrap up, setting up Mailchimp for cart recovery emails is a no-brainer if you're looking to bring back customers who abandon their carts and increase your sales. Don't forget to take advantage of the free trial and exclusive bonuses linked below. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your cart recovery campaigns.